My name is Bradley Stevenson. I'm an assistant professor at the University of Oklahoma in microbiology. We are studying the microbial catalysts that perform part of an integral part to biofuels production from synthesis gas. My group studies the molecular aspects of this organism, and we're trying to modify these organisms to do their job better. This work originated from a partnership with the USDA and a commercial partner, and this commercial partner has gone on to actually commercialize this process of producing biofuels. And their interests have changed and shifted, whereas we still want to do research in this area and understand how these organisms are doing. EPSCoR provides us a constant funding source that allows us to focus on some of the more basic aspects of the research that an industrial partner might not be interested in. Some of the equipment that EPSCoR funding has allowed us to purchase is essential to what we do, and right next to me actually is one of the essential components. These organisms that we use are anaerobic microorganisms. They cannot grow in the presence of oxygen. It actually kills them, and so this piece of equipment, this glove bag, actually allows us to establish an atmosphere absolutely devoid of oxygen, which is great because a lot of the genetic manipulations we do are usually done on the benchtop with aerobic organisms, and so this allows us to essentially have our benchtop inside an environment devoid of oxygen. So we do a lot of manipulations in here and then incubate things in closed canisters outside. The other piece of equipment is a gas chromatograph. So as I mentioned, these organisms utilize carbon dioxide and carbon monoxide and hydrogen, the synthesis gas, and then produce liquid biofuel. So we need to be able to measure how well they are or are not doing that, and the gas chromatograph allows us to do that. One of the neat aspects of this research is we really do have one foot in the basic research field and another in the applied research field because we're developing basic protocols to make an applied system better. The training that the students receive makes them pretty much world leaders in this area of industrial biofuel production. There aren't very many people that are trained to do this, especially using these anaerobic microorganisms. They're difficult to grow. You have to be very careful, and the genetic systems just are in their infant stage. And so, any person that leaves the laboratories with this kind of experience is absolutely essential to the industry.